Scott,
Ma'am.
get up.
Right, baby doll. Give me just a minute. Don't do it.
Are you gonna get up? Scott.
Alright, I'm getting up. Do you see some maybe baby blanket?
For who?
Huh?
Who do we need a baby blanket for? Huh?
Well, if you go, what's his name? His give
Baby.
Yeah.
You gonna get up?
Mm-hmm.
On the count of 3?
Okay, yeah. Alright, I can go for the count of 3.
1.
Well, no, wait a minute. Don't start yet. Because there'll be several 3s we gotta get to. Come on, let's go. Let's do this.
Scott.
What?
1.
Damn it, you're counting too early.
2.
Robin, not funny.
3. Get
No,
your ass up out of
no,
bed.
see, it didn't count because you didn't start with, what was it? You didn't start with,
Alright, on your mark.
whoa, get set. Don't do the go part. Do as quick as you get here. You need to let it go.
1.
Okay, wait a minute.
2.
Let me ask a question.
Okay. Ask.
Alright, I'm asking the safety teaching inside.
Huh?
The safety, whatever we're calling guys, teaching the safe track word.
Yeah.
When built one had a box for.
The dogs are saying get up too.
I heard that. Alright. Now, what time is it?
It is 6:19. Scott.
Okay, I'm getting up because I'm getting up right this minute.
Well, come on. I ain't gonna say it again.
Oh! Give me that old college try.
Get up.
Okay, but could you do it to a little music, like, really like. You're pissing me off that camera. How long? Wow.
This is gonna be a really good video.
How damn long?
Yeah, for the past 4 minutes. I've been trying to get your ass up.
I got one up in there.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Get up.
Alright.